The second problem is integral from 0 to pi by 4 tan square x into dx. So directly we don't know the value of tan square. So for that, first we convert the tan will be converted in terms of secant. We need the basic formula. What is the basic formula? The basic formula is secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. From that, tan square x is nothing but secant square x minus 1. So for tan square x minus 1, we substitute the tan square x here. That is nothing but a secant square x minus 1. That is integral is from 0 to pi by 4 secant square x minus 1 into dx. So we separate these two integrations. First is integral is from 0 to pi by 4 secant square x into dx minus integral is from 0 to pi by 4 into dx. For secant square, we know the value of secant square, that is integral is from 0 secant square x. Secant square x is nothing but tan x. And next, integration of dx. Integration of dx is nothing but x. And the limits from lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is pi by 4. So we substitute that upper limit minus lower limit. So for that, so first we substitute that upper limit, the x is equal to pi by 4 here. We get that tan pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus lower limit. What is the lower limit here? The lower limit is 0. For that, tan 0 minus 0. So we know the value of tan 0. The tan 0 is nothing but 0 and tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is nothing but tan 45. Tan 45 is nothing but 1. So after simplification, we get that 1 minus pi by 4. And the next problem is integral is from 1 to root 3, 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. For that one, 1 by 1 plus x square. The integration from 1 by 1 plus x square is nothing but a tan inverse x. And the limits are, lower limit is 1 and upper limit is root 3. So for that, we need upper limit minus lower limit. What is the upper limit? The upper limit is root 3. Substitute that x equal to root 3 here. We get the tan inverse root 3 minus lower limit. The lower limit is x equal to 1. That is nothing but tan inverse 1. So root 3, when it is becomes to root 3 in tan, nothing but a tan 60. Tan 60 is nothing but a pi by 3. And when it is becomes 1 in a tan, that is nothing but a tan 45. That is pi by 4. So we simplify, the LCM is equal to 12 and we get that 4 pi minus 3 pi, that is nothing but pi by 12. And next one is integral is from 0 to 1 e power minus x into dx. E power minus x, we know the integration of e power minus x, that is nothing but e power x is nothing but a e power x, and here we have a minus sign is involved, so we get right this is minus 1. So finally we get that minus e power minus x, the limits from 0 to 1. So here the minus is, we substitute that upper limit minus lower limit. For that, taken minus is outside, we get that e power minus x from limits from 0 to 1. So that is upper limit minus lower limit. What is the upper limit? The upper limit is 1 and the lower limit is 0. So if we substitute that first x is equal to 1, we get that e power minus 1, and we substitute that x equal to 0, we get that e power minus 0. We know that a power minus m. A power minus m is nothing but 1 by a power m. Similarly, e power minus 1 can be written as 1 by e, and e power minus 0 is nothing but e power 0, 1 by e power 0. So that is 1 by e minus e power 0. The value of e power 0 is 1 and we get that minus of 1 by e minus 1. After simplification, we get that 1 minus 1 by e. And here the LCM is e, we get that e minus 1 by e.